Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with y'all a home decor haul. I picked up some things over the course of the past couple of months and I wanted to share them with you. As you know, I purchased my home and I'm still slowly getting the house together. I'm not focusing on any particular rooms of the house. I'm kind of shopping for the entire house. So I keep that in mind when I'm out shopping, and I don't have all too much to share with you today, but whatever I do have, I absolutely love. The first thing that I wanted to show you is this really beautiful sculpture piece. I picked this up for $24.99. I'm currently storing my washcloths in here in my master bathroom. Just rolled them up, which I also picked these up at Homegoods, by the way. But I kind of just have them rolled up in there, and I have them sitting on a bookshelf in my master bathroom by the vanity. And then speaking of vanity, I picked up this super gorgeous glass and metal little canister. I'm currently storing my Q-tips in here. I absolutely love the details on here. I love that it's on the top and in the bottom. And I am currently storing this by this one. I love the like the rippled glass effect, and I got this one for $7.99 and I picked this one up for $9.99, and they look so good together. And in this one I'm storing my like cotton swabs that I use to remove my makeup. But I thought these were absolutely gorgeous. And they look really, really good in my bathroom. And I've also put them on my makeup vanity because they look really, really good side by side. So I had to get creative when it came to toy storage in my son's bedroom. I don't have a dresser in there. I just have a bookshelf with some like books on there and a little bit of his toys. But I really wanted some storage baskets with lids on them so that I can store my son's toys in there. And while I was at HomeGoods, I came across these, and oh my god, I died. I literally died on the inside. It's this gorgeous storage basket. It has a lid and it just comes off. And I'm already storing some toys in here, which I think look so good. These were $39.99 a piece, and I ended up picking up 2 of them. I think these will look really good at the foot of the bed, and I think that they're super perfect for what I need them for, which is to store some toys and just like odds and ends in my son's bedroom. I think these were a really, really good deal. I think they were a massive score, and I'm really excited to start putting his bedroom together and moving on to like the next bedrooms in the house, because there's still so much left to do in this house, and knowing that I'm one step closer to getting another bedroom done, it makes me feel so good. I found this absolutely gorgeous planter, and I thought it would look so good in my living room on my little side table, but I wasn't really sure exactly what I was going to put in here until I saw this. I love this little terracotta pot. By the way, $6.99, and this one was $9.99. But what I liked about this little greenery was that it kind of looked real, and it has this little like rope detail on there, where if you wanted to, you can hang it, which I won't be doing. So I plan to actually take off the rope, which, let me do that really quickly. Okay, gone. And I like the way that it looks so low, but then I also had the idea to put it in here, and oh my gosh, so good. I love the combination of these 2 pieces together. Every time I go to HomeGoods, I always have to stop by the curtain aisle, because you just never know. And I'm so glad that I did, because I found these really beautiful curtains. They're 96-inch curtains, and the texture is, it is absolutely gorgeous. They're gorgeous. They're a little pricey, but curtains can get so expensive so quickly. So going to places like HomeGoods or even an IKEA, if you live close to an IKEA, is probably your best bet. I paid $59.99 for these curtains, and I think it was a really good deal considering their length. I have 8-foot ceilings, and 84-inch curtains just doesn't work for, it just doesn't work for me. I have spent so much time looking for 96-inch curtains, and I normally don't shop online when it comes to like textiles. And the reason is because like I really want to touch it, I really want to feel it. I'm trying to keep the linens in my house semi-neutral because it's really easy to add color. But when it comes to curtains, I really don't want to keep buying new ones because I think a neutral curtain looks so good with any style. I'm thinking about putting these in my son's bedroom, and if I don't put them there, I'm considering putting them in my office, but I saw them and I decided to scoop them up because, like I said, 96-inch curtains are so hard to find. And then good luck finding a beautiful set of curtains because that's even harder. Staying on the topic of textiles and fabrics, I found this really beautiful throw blanket. I liked the color. It's like a taupey color, and it has these really beautiful tassels on the ends. I like that it was a solid color because I normally go with prints on my throw blankets. One of the reasons is because I hardly ever find a beautiful throw blanket that doesn't have a print. I got this one for $24.99. While it's got the taupe on the outside and the lighter color tassels on the ends, it also has the lighter color on the inside, which I love that. And I'm not exactly sure where I'm going to put this throw blanket. I've considered putting it in my bedroom and also like in my son's bedroom or in the living room because literally I have to have a blanket on me all the time. I get cold very easily, and even when I'm not cold, I like to have a blanket on me just for added comfort. I don't know. Okay, this box, gorgeous. Nicole Miller Home, gorgeous. It's very rare when I find a Nicole Miller product at Homegoods that I don't love it. And I mean, look at this. It's gorgeous. There's so many things I love about this. One of them being this huge handle. This is like a massive handle, like a Thor-sized handle. I like it because it's substantial in size, guys. The color is gorgeous. It's like tiled with mother of pearl. I think that's what it is. And I love the colors. It has slight pinky tones. It has slight gray tones and a ton of neutral. And I have played around with like the placement, where I'm going to put it. I've put it in my bathroom on my little tower. I have this shelf in my bathroom that I store my towels and like other like random things like cotton swabs and Q-tips and stuff like that. But I had this box on there. The thing is, I haven't stored anything in here. I have no idea how I'm going to use this, but I know that I can put it anywhere in my home and it'll look so great. But this guy was $19.99, and I think it was such a great price for such a substantial piece that is beautiful and functional. So if you see this one in your store, definitely pick it up. Okay, so the last piece that I have, I think this is probably the coolest piece. It's probably my favorite out of this entire haul. And that is simply because it reminds me of Ross Geller. If you watch Friends, it's hilarious. If you don't watch Friends, then pretty sure that wasn't funny. But if you've been following me for a little bit, then you would have probably already seen where I showed you how I built my son's bed or how I customized my son's bed. And I think that the different wood tones in this piece of art are going to look so good, as well as all of the other colors that are in his bedroom. But what I loved most about this was that it would look so good in there, considering that I'm trying to introduce some playfulness in there because it's kind of a sophisticated style for a child's bedroom. It's a little serious, and I was trying to find some pieces that would sort of break up that seriousness and bring in some of that childhood. My favorite piece for sure is this product. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!